Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into top 5 best network cable tester. Whether you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's jump right in and explore the world of network cable tester. Number 5. NOYAFA NF8506 Cable Tester. The NOYAFA NF8506 is a multifunctional network cable tracker designed for professionals needing ping testing, IP scanning, and port speed diagnostics. With a transmission frequency of 455 kHz and support for a wide range of cable types, it's an essential tool for real-time network troubleshooting. This device not only helps identify cable faults but also determines network performance, making it ideal for IT specialists who manage large infrastructures. It includes a battery for instant use and is built to withstand regular field usage, ensuring reliable results in demanding networking environments. Number 4. BSIDE FWT81 Cable Tracker Tester. The BSIDE FWT81 is a compact yet powerful network cable tracker that supports RJ11 and RJ45 connections. Built for precise diagnostics, it can test live telephone lines under 48V, detect network continuity, check line polarity, and more. With a long testing range up to 300 m and safety compliance under IEC 61010-1600V Cat 3, it's ideal for telecom technicians and IT specialists. Despite its lightweight design, it offers robust features like wire level testing and positive/negative polarity indication. It requires 2 AAA batteries, not included, and its rugged design ensures dependable performance in both residential and industrial environments. Number 3. NOYAFA NF8508 Network Tester. The NOYAFA NF8508 is a premium-grade LCD digital cable tester featuring PO detection, wire mapping, and a rechargeable lithium battery system. Designed for professionals, it includes short-circuit reminders, anti-jamming modes, and support for Cat 5/Cat 6 cables. The built-in power meter supports 6 optical wavelengths, and the device allows for up to 300 meters of transmission detection. Its dual-unit system, transmitter and receiver, includes lamp lighting, NCV detection, and real-time signal scanning. With a rugged ABS build, high detection accuracy, and wide compatibility, this is an excellent tool for installers and IT field engineers handling complex network setups. Number 2. BSIDE Network Tester. The BSIDE FWT11 is a high-performance cable tester built for detecting and tracing RJ11 and RJ45 network cables, compatible with Cat 5 and Cat 6 standards. Designed with user-friendly features like continuity checks, polarity detection, and telephone line status testing, it provides everything a technician needs for effective diagnostics. With a testing range of up to 300 meters, this device supports accurate fault location in extensive installations. It's ideal for LAN and telecom networks, helping users quickly find cable breaks, shorts, or miswiring. Whether you're maintaining office infrastructure or troubleshooting home networking issues, the FWT11 is a reliable, cost-effective choice. Number 1. NOYAFA NF8209 Cable Tracker. The NOYAFA NF8209 is a professional-grade network cable tracker and tester equipped with comprehensive features for PO testing, cable scanning, and wire mapping. Supporting RJ45 ports, it enables accurate line tracing and fault diagnosis across various network types. It includes multiple test modes, such as port flash, continuity check, and PO voltage detection, making it highly versatile for both residential and industrial use. Although the battery is not included, its compact size and multifunction capabilities make it an essential tool for network technicians, IT professionals, and electricians who require precision and reliability on the job.